So guys, it's time to check out from the Sheraton Bursa, and I'm now moving on to Yalova on my way to the airport. Yalova is a very small town, and there are a few things to be seen, like the waterfall and the thermal areas or the thermal springs and the city center. So let me take you around a short tour of Yalova before going back to the airport. So I'm just waiting for my car, and then I'll be proceeding to Yalova and then to the airport. Hi Adrian, how are you? Good to see you again.
Hi, good to see you again.
So if you have seen my previous video on the 6 hours exploration in Istanbul, I had Adrian as my guide to take me for this quick tour. It was a very short tour, and this time of course I have more time with Istanbul, Bursa and Yalova. So Adrian is here again to take me around to explore Yalova before we go on to Istanbul airport. So I think we'll be seeing the waterfall and the thermal springs.
And walking mansion and thermal
springs.
Yes, and city center.
And the city center. So it's a short tour, but I hope you enjoy it, and well, let's carry on. And here we have Tasin. Tasin also is the same great driver who took me around for the short tour, and he drove me to the best places in a very short time. So once again, thank you Tasin, and let's explore Yalova. So we have made the first stop here in Yalova at the thermal area. So this is the thermal district where you have the thermal springs, and we just of course we cannot show you inside the thermal area in terms of the rooms what they have to enjoy the thermal area, as this there are customers there and it's not allowed to shoot. But we're just walking upstairs to give you a glimpse of the scenic view what you have from here. Well, and as we are just walking, it has started drizzling a bit, so this is the showers of blessing, as we say. So here we have a garden tunnel, and it's called the Tunnel of Love. So this thermal water here is believed to be very good for the stomach. As you can see, it's warm and you can see the steam coming out. So here we have different directions to go around, and different sorts of water from the thermal springs, which basically have different beneficial effects, some for the foot, some for the eyes, and of course the one I just showed you, they say is very good for the stomach. So in the far end you also see a thermal pool, which is visited by a lot of people for the health benefits from this thermal water. So again, it's not allowed to go inside and to take a video, so I've just managed to zoom in from here, which they have allowed, just to show the facility at the thermal spring area. It's very lush green forests out here, very relaxing atmosphere and ambience, and with this rains it makes it all the more better. So now we have arrived at the Sudushan Şelalesi, which in Turkish means the waterfall, and let's have a look around this area. So we have just come to the city center of Yalova, and this will be a quick review of the city center. So this is the main city center area of Yalova. It's a pretty small town area. On the far end, behind this is the sea, and you have a lot of restaurants and coffee shops. Of course, because of the little time that we have, I'm not able to go around there. But this is just to give you a short insight of the city center. So we were supposed to go to the walking mansion, but with the traffic, and we don't want to take a chance to be late at the airport. So we'll not be going there, and so this was a very short glimpse of the city center, as well as the Yalova city area, where we went first to the hot water springs and then to the waterfall, and here the city center. So I hope you enjoyed this glimpse, and from here we go back to the airport.
I hope you enjoyed this tour with us in Yalova. Please subscribe with YouTube channel.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tour in Yalova, and of course it's time to go back to the airport. If you did like this video, do like, do post your feedback in comments, and definitely subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so that you get updates whenever I post new videos.